you interested in the sparkling world of jewellery? Do you want to learn more about what it takes to design a unique jewel, or what goes into the production of quality jewellery? Then join Tanya Sadow and her team at the JDMIS for a fascinating tour of the jewellery world and see what potential it holds for the creative individual. See how designers create fine jewellery and how modern technology makes jewellery fabrication accessible for all creative individuals. See live demonstrations of traditional jewellery design on paper as well as computer-aided design. Learn about traditional metalsmithing and lost wax casting and see how much work and expertise goes into producing fine jewellery today. Find out about new technologies such as powder metallurgy and see the start-to-finish production of a fine silver piece of jewellery.